Here's a detailed overview of Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open-source cross-platform runtime environment that enables developers to execute JavaScript code outside a browser. Built on Google's V8 JavaScript engine, it provides a way to build scalable network and server-side applications. Key features: event-driven, non-blocking I/O. Node.js uses a single-threaded event loop and asynchronous callbacks to handle I/O efficiently. This allows it to manage thousands of simultaneous connections without blocking. Fast execution. Powered by the V8 engine, Node.js executes JavaScript at blazing speeds. Cross-platform. It can run on all major operating systems: Windows, Linux, macOS. NPM, Node Package Manager. Node.js comes with NPM, the world's largest open-source ecosystem for packages and modules. NPM simplifies sharing and reusing code. Single programming language. JavaScript. Developers can write both the front-end and back-end of an application in JavaScript. Architecture. Single-threaded event loop. Uses one main thread for asynchronous operations. Worker threads. Optional. Heavy computations can be offloaded. libov. A C library that provides the event loop and asynchronous I/O. Common use cases: web servers and REST APIs. Express.js and other frameworks simplify web app development. Real-time applications, e.g. chats, gaming servers. Socket I/O allows real-time two-way communication. Microservices. Node.js is great for decoupled architectures. Command line tools. You can write CLI utilities powered by Node.js. Streaming data apps. Handle video, audio, file uploads efficiently. Popular frameworks and tools. Framework library usage. Streaming data apps. Express.js. Minimal and flexible web application framework. Nest.js, progressive Node.js framework for enterprise apps. Koa, lightweight, modern alternative to Express.js. Socket I/O, real-time communication. PM2, process manager to keep apps alive.
Okay.
Advantages of Node.js: high scalability for concurrent connections, rapid development due to a large ecosystem, strong community support, JSON-friendly data handling, easy integration with front-end JavaScript. Drawbacks of Node.js: CPU-intensive tasks can block the event loop. Rapidly evolving ecosystem may cause dependency issues. Callback-heavy code can lead to callback hell, mitigated with async await and promises. Typical application flow: 1. Event loop waits for requests. 2. Requests come in and are queued. 3. Node.js processes each request asynchronously. 4. Once I/O completes, callback promise returns the result. 5. Response is sent back to the client. Example: hello world, HTTP server. JavaScript const HTTP equals require P. Const server equals http.createServer rec res. Res.status code equals 200. Res.set header content type text/plain. Res.end hello world. Server.listen 3000. Console.log server running at HTTP equals 1000. In short, Node.js is not a language. It's a JavaScript runtime built for fast and scalable network apps. Its knocking architecture and rich ecosystem make it ideal for modern web services, APIs, and real-time apps. Let me know if you'd also like a list of popular packages, a quick setup guide, or a deeper dive into any part of Node.js.